Hello everyone. In this class, we'll discuss some good problems for JEE Mains Advanced from Trigonometry Transformations. So let us start. First one is if sin x plus cos x plus tan x plus cot x plus secant x plus cosecant x is 7 and sin 2x is a minus b square root 7, then you have to find the value of a and b basically. We can pause and give it a try. Let us start discussion, guys. The answer for this problem is option C and D. See how you can do this problem. If I take sin x plus cos x as t and I square both sides, sin square x plus cos square x will become 1. So you get 1 plus 2 sin x cos x equal to t square. So sin x cos x from here will be t square minus 1 over 2. Now, the given problem, we convert everything into sin cos. Sin plus cos, tan will be sin over cos, cot will be cos over sin, 1 over cos, 1 over sin. Now take LCM over these two. You will end up with 1 by sin x cos x. Take LCM over these two. We end up with sin x plus cos x over sin x cos x. Now sin x plus cos x is t. Here if you add them, denominator is sin x cos x, which will be t square minus 1 over 2. Numerator will be 1 plus sin x plus cos x, which will be 1 plus t, equal to 7. So we get t, and t square minus 1 you can write as t minus 1 t plus 1. So t plus 1 get cancelled out, you get 2 over t minus 1 equal to 7. And you just take LCM and all, you get a quadratic in t square minus 8t plus 9 equal to 0. And when you find roots, it will come out to be 4 plus minus root 7. Now t cannot be 4 plus root 7 because t was sin x plus cos x. Sin x maximum value is 1, cos x maximum value is 1. So this will always be like, it cannot be more than 2, no? So 4 plus root 7 cannot be a value of t, so t has to be 4 minus square root 7. And then sin 2x will just be t square minus 1. From here we can say. So we get sin 2x will be t square minus 1. When you simplify, you get 22 minus 8 root 7. So answer is C and D. Next one, guys. If ABCD belongs to 0 to pi, B and C are not complementary such that 2 cos A plus 6 cos B plus 7 cos C plus 9 cos D equal to 0, and 2 cos A, so 2 sin A, this is supposed to be A here, don't take it as alpha, 2 sin A minus 6 sin B plus 7 sin C minus 9 sin D equal to 0. Then we have to find the value of cos A plus D by cos B plus C. See, guys, what we can say here. We can pause and give it a try. Let us start discussion now. The answer for this problem is 7. See what we could have done here. We can take 2 cos A plus 9 cos D on one side and rest everything on other side. Because in the problem, if you see, they're asking cos A plus D by cos B plus C. So I'll take A and D terms on one side and B and C on other side. So you get 2 cos A plus 9 cos D equal to minus of 6 cos B plus 7 cos C. Same thing here, 2 sin A minus 9 sin D is equal to 6 sin B minus 7 sin C. Now just square and add them. When you do that, you get 4 cos square A, 4 sin square A, you get 4 times cos square A plus sin square A. 81 times cos square A plus sin square A. Plus, when you do like 2 cos A 9 cos D into 2, you get 36 cos A cos D minus sin A sin D. On the right side, you do same thing, you get 36 cos square B plus sin square B plus 49 cos square C plus sin square C plus 84 cos B cos C minus sin B sin C. Now this cos square A plus sin square everywhere will just be 1. I think it should be cos squared d plus sine squared d here. Yes. So this will be 1, this will be 1, you get 4 plus 81 plus 36. Now this cos A cos B minus sin A sin B will be cos A plus B. So in this case, get 36 cos A plus D. Right side, get 36 plus 49 plus 84 again cos B plus C. So 4 plus 81 will be 85, 36 plus 49 will be 85, get cancelled out. You get cos A plus D by cos B plus C is 84 over 36, which will come out to be 7 over 3. Saying this is K, so 3K will just be 7. I hope it is clear, guys. Next. Next is y equal to sin x sin 2x plus sin 3x sin 6x plus sin 4x sin 13x by sin x cos 2x plus sin 3x cos 6x plus sin 4x cos 13x. Then you have to find the value of y for the particular values of x. So you can pause and give it a try. Let us start this question now. The answer for this problem is A and B. Let's see how. First of all, you just divide by 2, like multiply both sides by 2 in the numerator and denominator. You get 2 sin x sin 2x, here 2 sin 3x sin 6x, here 2 sin 4x sin 13x. Denominator will be 2 sin x cos 2x plus 2 sin 3x cos 6x plus 2 sin 4x cos 13x. Now use the formula of 2 sin A sin B, which is cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. When you use that, you get cos x minus cos 3x plus cos 3x minus cos 9x plus cos 9x minus cos 17x. You will see 3x 3x cancel, cos 9x 9x cancel, you get cos x minus cos 17x. In denominator, we use 2 sin A cos B, which will be sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. When you do sin A minus B, you get sin of minus x, which will become minus sin x. So in the denominator, we get sin 3x minus sin x plus sin 9x minus sin 3x plus sin 17x minus sin 9x. So again, 3x 3x cancel, 9x 9x cancel, you get sin 17x minus sin x. Now use cos c minus cos d, get 2 sin 9x sin 8x. Use sin c minus sin d, get 2 cos 9x sin 8x. When you cancel out the common terms, you get tan 9x. So y gets simplified to just tan 9x. I can put the options here. So if x is pi by 72, y will become tan pi by 8, which is square root 2 minus 1. Okay, tan 22 and a half, we have discussed one problem in the class. We found out that tan 22 and a half was 1 minus cos 45 by sin 45, which came out to be root 2 minus 1. Next, if you put excess pi by 24, you get tan 3 pi by 8, which will be just tan 70, like 67.5. So same we can find that also. Basically, this will be equal to chord of this angle. And chord, you can just see the reciprocal. So you get this to be root 2 plus 1. If we take excess pi by 108, we get tan pi by 12, which is 15 degree. We discussed that was 2 minus root 3. And 5 pi by 108 will give you tan 75 degree, which will be 2 plus root 3. So answer will be A and B only. Next, guys. The fourth problem, we have to check which of the following statements are correct. You can pause and give it a try. Let us start discussion now. See, the first and second statement is based upon this thing. Cos log 5 and this trigonometric function here. I'll just solve this thing. So we have sine square A plus cos square A plus tan square A minus secant square A sin square A by 1 plus tan square A, 1 minus sin square A. So step by step, sine square A plus cos square A will just be 1. Secant square A into sin square A will nothing but tan square A, because secant will be 1 over cos. 1 plus tan square A is secant square A and 1 minus sin square A will be cos square A. So this will be 1 This get cancelled out, so 0. And this will be secant square a, cos square a get cancelled out, get 1. So get cos log 5, 1 plus 0 by 1, and log of 1 will be 0, so cos 0 will be 1. Next. Uh, the next one, P is cos 55, Q is cos 65, R is cos 175. They ask the value of 1 by P plus 1 by Q plus R by PQ. See, 1 by cos 55 plus 1 by cos 65 plus cos 175 by cos 55 cos 65. If we take LCM, we get cos 65 plus cos 55 plus cos 175 divided by cos 55 cos 65. If you remember this problem we had discussed in the class, cos 65 plus cos 55 plus cos 175 came out to be 0. How? If you do CD on cos 65 and 55, we get 2 cos 60 cos 5. And cos 60 will be half, which will be just then cos 5 only. And cos 175 we can write as cos 180 minus 5, and that will be minus cos 5. So this is cos 5, this is minus cos 5. When you add them, you get 0. So the answer for this problem will be B and C. Next, guys. This fifth problem, guys, you can give it a try. We have cos x plus cos square x equal to 1. Then E value you have to check. So let's start this question, guys. See the first one. We have cos x plus cos square x equal to 1. We can write this thing as cos x equal to 1 minus cos square x. So 1 minus cos square x will become sine square x. So it will just become cos x equal to sine square x. Now squaring both sides, you get cos square x equal to sine power 4x. Cos square is 1 minus sine square is equal to sine power 4x. So you get sine 4x plus sine power 4x plus sine square x equal to 1. You want sine 12, so I just cube both sides. So a plus b whole cube, we can do no a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. We get sine 12x plus 3 sine 10x plus 3 sine 8x plus sine 6x. Right side will be 1. So value of e is this plus 2. So e will come out to be 3. Then they're asking to find log tan pi by 3 of e. Tan pi by 3 is square root 3. E we can write as square root 3 square. So value of this thing will just be 2. Using the properties of logarithm. Next, sine alpha plus sine beta plus sine gamma is minus 3. See, sine minimum value is minus 1. It cannot be less than that. So the minimum value minus 1, minimum minus 1, minimum minus 1. So this will be minus 3 only for all or minus 1. And in 0 to 2 pi, the value will be minus 1 at 3 pi by 2. At 270 degrees, sine will be minus 1. So alpha, beta, gamma will be 3 pi by 2. So cos 2 alpha will become cos 3 pi, which will be minus 1. Cos 4 beta, which will be 6 pi, will be 1. And cos 6 gamma will become cos 9 pi, which will be minus 1 again. So when you add these three, get minus 1. So answer will be BD. Next problem. Which of the following statements are correct? You can pause and give it a try. Let us start discussion, guys. The answer for this problem will be AD. See how the cos pi by 15, this thing, what we will do is, you see cos 7 pi by 15, I can also write as minus cos 8 pi by 15. Okay, the pi minus theta thing. 7 pi by 15 we can write as pi minus 8 pi by 15, and cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta. Now, I will write here cos pi by 15, cos 2 pi by 15, cos 4 pi by 15, and this will become minus cos 8 pi by 15. What about the remaining? The 3 pi by 15 will become cos 36 degree. 6 pi by 15 will become 72 degree. And 5 pi by 15 will become 60 degree. For this we can use the formula. minus will be outside. You get 1 by 2 power 4 sine 16 pi by 15 by sine pi by 15. Cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 over 4. Cos 72 is same as sine 18 root 5 minus 1 over 4. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. And now sine 16 pi by 15 will be same as sine pi plus pi by 15, which will be minus sine pi by 15. So they get cancelled, you get minus 1 here. So minus minus become plus. So you get 1 by 2 power 4, 1 by 2 square, 1 by 2, which will be 1 by 2 power 7. Second one. Same way, cos 14 pi by 15 we can also write as minus cos pi by 15. Same. The sum of the angles will be pi. So you get minus cos pi by 15, cos 2 pi by 15 up to cos 8 pi by 15. With the formula again, you get minus outside 1 by 2 power 4. Sine 16 pi by 15 by sine pi by 15. Again, they will be negative of each other. So minus get cancelled or get 1 by 16. That's the final answer then. Next problem. This seventh problem, this is a bit typical. Anyhow, I'll just give you some time to try it, guys. The seventh problem is root 2 cos A is equal to cos B plus cos cube B. Root 2 sin A equal to sin B minus sin cube B. And the possible values of sin A minus B. This is a good problem. You can give it a try. Let's start discussion, guys. The answer for this problem is BD. See how? First of all, root 2 cos A is given, root 2 sin A is given, just square and add. On the left side, you just get 2. On the right, you get sin square B, cos square B, 1. Now, cos power 6b plus sin power 6b will be 1 minus 3 by 4 sin square 2b. We discuss a property on this. And the next term will be 2 times cos power 4b minus sin power 4b. Now, this 1 plus 1 will be 2. This is also 2, get cancelled out, we get 0 in the next step. Here, sin square 2b we can write as 1 minus cos square 2b. And here, you can come out to be just cos 2b. So, when you solve, you get a quadratic in cos 2b and the roots will be minus 3 and 1 by 3. Minus 3 is not possible, so cos 2b will be 1 by 3. Next. At the same thing now, just take cos b this side, sin b this side. We get root 2 cos a minus cos b is cos cube b. Root 2 sin a minus sin b is minus sin cube b, square and add. We get 2 plus 1 minus 2 square root 2 cos a minus b. On the right side will again be 1 minus 3 by 4 sin square 2b. We have the value of cos 2b, from where you can find the value of cos square 2b. It will be 1 over 9. Then sin square will just be 1 minus that, so 8 by 9. So when you solve, you get the value of cos a minus b to be 2 square root 2 over 3. And sin a minus b we can write plus minus root of 1 minus cos square a minus b. So this is 2 square root 2 by 3. This will come out to be plus minus 1 by 3. So answer will be BD. So good problem, guys. Next. If cot theta minus alpha, 3 cot theta plus alpha are in AP, theta is not integral multiple of pi by 2, then the value of this thing. You can pause and give it a try. Let's start discussion now. If they are in AP, see, if A, B, C are in AP, we can write 2b equal to a plus c. So using same here, you get 6 cot theta is cot theta minus alpha plus cot theta plus alpha. Now convert everything into sine cos. So this you get 6 cos theta by sine theta. Here convert everything into sine cos and take LCM. You get cos theta minus alpha sine theta plus alpha plus cos theta plus alpha sine theta minus alpha by sine theta plus alpha sine theta minus alpha. Here you can use sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. It will be sin a plus b, which will come out to be sin 2 theta. Here sin a plus b, sin a minus b will be sin square a minus sin square b. And when you cross multiply, you get 6 cos theta sin square theta minus sin square alpha. Sin 2 theta we can expand to sin theta cos theta. So you get 2 sin square theta cos theta. Now cos theta is a common term. One case will be cos theta 0. But they have said no, theta is not integral multiple of pi by 2. So cos theta will be 0 at multiple of pi by 2's only. So this is not possible. So cancel it out, we get, and 2 we cancel out, we get 3 sine square theta minus sine square alpha is sine square theta, which upon simplification will be 2 sine square theta equal to 3 sine square alpha. So 2 sine square theta by sine square alpha will be 3. So the answer will be 3 here. Next. Tn is cos square 30 minus n degree minus cos 30 minus n degree cos 30 plus n degree plus cos square 30 plus n degree. Let k is equal to 4 times summation n1 to 30 n tn, then the last digit of k is. You can pause and give it a try. Let's start discussion now. See this term cos 30 minus n cos 30 plus n. We can use cos a minus b cos a plus b, that is cos square a minus sine square b. So cos square 30 will be 3 over 4 minus sine square n degree. And cos square theta we can write as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. And same thing here, 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Now, when you add this and this, so basically when you add this and this term, 1 by 2 will just become 1. Okay, this 1 by 2 again is like common. This plus this, we can use cos c plus cos d formula, which will be 2 cos 60 cos 2n. And this term is 3 by 4 minus sine square n. So minus of that will make it minus 3 by 4 plus sine square n. Now, here this will be just 1 because cos 60 is half. And cos 2n, with cos 2n we can write as 1 minus 2 sine square n. It's by 2 as it is, minus 3 by 4 sine square n. When you split here, the sine square n part get cancelled out, you get 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4, so this will just be 3 by 4. Then you want 4 times and 1 to 30 n tn, so 4 tn we can say is just 3, or tn is 3 by 4. So you get 3 times summation n, that will be 30 into 31 by 2, we get 1395, so answer will be 5. I hope it is clear, guys. Next. The value of the expression sine square 2 pi by 7 plus sine square 4 pi by 7 plus sine square pi by 7 by sine square pi by 7 plus sine, like this, sine square 2 pi by 7 by sine square pi by 7. So they are like separate terms. So this and this, you have to find sum of this series. Give it a try, guys. Let's start discussion now. So the answer for this problem is 5. See how? Sine 2 pi by 7 we can write 2 sine pi by 7 cos pi by 7. Sine 4 pi by 7 we can write 2 sine 2 pi by 7 cos 2 pi by 7. Now sine square pi by 7 will be same as sine square 8 pi by 7. Basically sine 8 pi by 7 will be negative of sine pi by 7, but when you square you get same. So, and sine 8 pi by 7 will become 2 sine pi by 7 cos pi. So this 2 sine 4 pi by 7 cos 4 pi by 7. When you use that here, we'll end up with 4 times cos square pi by 7 plus cos square 2 pi by 7 plus cos square 4 pi by 7. Again, we can write cos square theta as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Same for all of them. Now this 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 outside, you get 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into 4 will become 6. And again this 2, 2, 2, with 4 you get 2 times cos 2 pi by 7, cos 4 pi by 7. Here will be cos 8 pi by 7. You will see cos 8 pi by 7 and cos 6 pi by 7 will be same, because sum of the angle is 2 pi. And cos 2 pi minus theta is cos theta only. So cos 8 pi by 7 and cos 6 pi by 7 are equal. So I'll just write as cos 2 pi by 7, cos 4 pi by 7, cos 6 pi by 7. Now in the second week, we'll have a direct formula to solve this thing, and then you can do directly. Right now, what you'll do is, see, the angles are in AP. The difference is 2 pi by 7. What you do is, you multiply, divide by sine of half of this. So half of this means pi by 7. So multiply, divide with sine pi by 7. Like I told you, next week I'll give you direct formula. This is just for this week. So from next week, when you have the formula, you can do the formula directly. Right now you don't know the formula, that is why I'm doing this thing. So multiply divide with sine pi by 7. You will see it become 2 cos 2 pi by 7 sine pi by 7. Same for these two also. And divide by sine pi by 7. Now use 2 cos a sine b, which will make it sine a plus b minus sine a minus b. Same here, same here. You will see 3 pi by 7 get cancelled out. 5 pi by 7 get cancelled out. This will be sine pi, which is 0. We're just left with minus sine pi by 7 divided by sine pi by 7. So we get minus 1 only. Okay, what I'm trying to say here is this and this get cancelled. This and this get cancelled. This value will just be 0. So we left with only minus sine pi by 7 by sine pi by 7 get minus 1. So answer will just be 5. I hope it is clear, guys. That's all for now. Bye bye.